Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so in today's video you guys are just going to be getting ready with me. I am not going anywhere special. It is currently 7:23 at night p.m. and me and my boyfriend are filming for our video. So I decided to get like a little ready, look a little decent when we start filming again. What are we filming today? We're filming, we're trying out, if you guys don't know, Tasty has like these videos where, you know, it gives us like recipes to do food. So we've watched several Tasty videos and a lot of people have been, you know, recreating the food, and some of them say it doesn't taste different, some of them it says it's not the same, doesn't look the same, this and that. I don't see how they would say it doesn't taste the same if you know the person in the video. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, but I feel like it's going to be good. So that's why guys are gonna get ready with me, so I can go ahead and look decent in our channel. So if you guys are not subscribed to our channel, I suggest you guys do. I will leave the link in the description box, and also if you're ready to see what makeup I'm going to do on myself, continue watching. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows. I've been using the Bea Forever Multiple Lines Perfect eyebrow. Actually has really become my favorite product to do my eyebrows with. I already primed my eyelids. As you can see, they're a different color. So the palette we're gonna go in with is with the 35 IC Fantasy. We're gonna do something bright. Well, not really too bright. Kind of looking at orange, but then the green looks really nice on here. The purple does too. But we're gonna go in with these colors right here. And I'm kind of liking this color right here. So we're gonna go in with those. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a fluffy brush, and we're gonna go into that orange color. And we're just gonna blend that out. So what we're cooking right now is baby back ribs. It takes about 2 hours, so we're kind of gonna be eating a little late, which that is no bueno. But I know they're gonna be so good. And also we are making this dessert. I don't know what's it called exactly, but you guys, go subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more funner activities. We're actually thinking about going to a crawfish festival next Sunday. Hopefully we go. I really want to go. I think had crawfish last week and I am craving it again. I love crawfish season. Alright, this color really isn't giving me too much, but that's okay because there are like literally pastel colors. So I'm gonna go in with the pink right at the side of it, which also doesn't show too much color. But we're gonna put that right on the lid. We have like an orangey, light orangey and pink color going on here right now. And then we'll grab that shade and this one, and if y'all see it, you guys, you'll die. Like, look at that, that is beautiful. So I'm just gonna tap it and then tap it right on top. I don't really like show much color to this, but like it is a pastel palette, so it's really not showing much. I kind of want to go in with this little blue here and add this to the outer V. It's like a nice little blue. And then I still have to go back in and color in more a little bit. That little shimmer shade. Alright, so now I'm just gonna grab some mascara. For lips, I know I'm going in a little bit too early on lips, but it's the reason for I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It's an instant and long term lip plumper. The other day I posted on my Snapchat and Instagram that I had lip fillers, which it really wasn't, but I used the Plump It liquid thingy and the Extreme together, which makes my lips go like, I'm just playing, not too much, but it does give it a nice little plump to it. So I'm gonna let that go ahead and heal up. Well, not heal, but I think that it's dry, so I'm gonna grab some lashes. So as you can see, my lips are getting a little bit red because it's plumping up. So I kind of want to add some like white eyeliner now that I look at it. So let me find my white eyeliner. I'm gonna go, that's not eyeliner. Found it. I'm gonna go in with some white, NYX white eyeliner. Give this little book a little taste, honey. I'm just gonna do like a little tip, not all the way. eyeliner. Oh, Jesus Christ. Eyeliner is on. Now it's time to put the babies on. Alright, so that is done. Now it's time to go to the face. So first thing we're going to go in is with the Go Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, which is my favorite because it makes my freaking skin glow even under the foundation. So it's really good. I love it. So you see my lips are now a little bit bigger. Girl, really good stuff. Alright, so now what I'm gonna go in with the poreless puddy primer. Foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe foundation, and I'm in the color F2.19. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Let me get some Laura Mercier. Got my little Mercier girl. So now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, and it's gonna be the XOXO Lisa Frank bronzer. So for Hallie, I'm gonna go in with the Babe in Paradise. And we're gonna go in with this shade right here for highlight. Right now for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want to see me and my boyfriend cook, and if you guys want to see whatever cooking, you should go check out me and my boyfriend's channel, which our names will be in the description box. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you're subscribed if you are new. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.